Hi guys, let's play dress up. Guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Ria and we are recording today. So हम आज बहुत fun चीज करने जा रहे हैं, which I particularly love to do a lot, which is playing dress up. So we have 10 basic products, basic things that we are going to style and make five outfits from it. And these are going to be basic yet classy outfits. So come with me and enjoy the video. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all those 10 things that I'm gonna use here. So they're very basic. So according to my 10 things of list, there is one shoe or heel, anything that you want to prefer, you can. A white shoe and a black heel. Anything. I have both, I'm using both of them. The second thing is a bag. So I have this Aldo sling bag. So you have to use any sling bag that you think you would use. I'm gonna use this one because it's a pretty one and it does the work. Yeah. Basically, this one we are using. Third thing is beige trousers. I have this one from Savannah. Yeah, it looks like that. We're gonna use this one. So the fourth thing is a sky blue pants. So we are using this one. This was actually a cord set from Myntra. So it has a blazer with it. So we are not going to use blazer. It's just the pants that we are using. The next item that we are going to use is a simple black top. I have this one. You can use a black t-shirt as well, to be very honest. So simple black top goes with everything. We are going to use that. So the next thing that we are going to use is a white top. Because we are using a black top, so obviously हम in contrast जाएंगे तो white top use करेंगे. So it's a crop top. Guys, I got these both tops around like 4 years back or something from Meesho and they work amazingly अभी तक. कुछ ऐसा problem मैंने अभी तक face नहीं करी है. So the next one is very interesting because it's a skirt that we are using. I have this skirt. So we are going to use this one and see where it goes. Up next and the last item of those 10 products is going to be my favorite jeans, which is a blue wide leg jean. पता नहीं क्यों, but I'm currently or from past 5 years I'm obsessed with wide leg. क्योंकि क्या pajama feels है, क्या lehenga feels है, every feel you get in one jeans. Amazing product launched by whosoever launched it. So this is from Savannah. No, this one. So yeah, this is from New Me actually. See, it's this wide. Like, can you imagine? Amazing. So yeah, we are going to use all these products. Products, nahi, kapde. But one more thing, that we are going to do the hairstyling and the accessories too according to the outfit. So I'm going to tell you what we are going to do. So it's time for the first outfit. So the first outfit is very basic. A white top with a blue jeans. Too basic, but let me just show you how it looks on me. Wait. So yeah, I have worn the outfit. This is the top, this is the jeans. And see, these collars I'm fold kar because I generally wear it like that only and I love it. White on black is the usual choice, but white on blue is the classic one. And with that, I'm gonna make a ponytail and wear some earrings. I could also you can also wear a chain on the pendant, but I am personally not that human being because my bag has a chain kind of a thing. So if you will take it as a sling, then it's pretty good enough. So we don't have to do it again. And yeah, मैं आपको full outfit दिखाती हूँ in the next one. That's my full outfit. My favorite white shoes, sling bag, sunglasses, and that's the look. I hope you like it. time for the second outfit. So we are going to make sure that it's minimalistic and we can use it in multiple bases. So we are going to use the same top. The top is going to be same white top, but इसके नीचे की jeans change and the whole look changes. Wait, we are going to wear a skirt. We are going to wear a skirt below this and see how it comes around. Yeah, so that's the outfit. I'm going to show you. This is how it goes. And I've kept one side ऐसे and one side I've braided नहीं ऐसे roll it out. And in the back, keeping the sling, the watch, the hoop. आप कोई भी ऐसे dangling earrings पहन सकते हो जो भी आपको अच्छी लगे वो पर. And yeah, you're pretty good to go. That's how my full looks look like. Okay guys, it's time for the third outfit. It's a super easy one because I have sky blue trousers. So I used to wear this in my college as well, in my office as well. So it's a very all-rounder kind of an outfit. You can wear it anywhere. So let me just change the bottoms and come. Okay, so yeah, that's the trousers, that's the fit. I'm wearing the same watch, the earrings, and keeping it a messy bun. And you're good to go. You can do anything. You can conquer the world now. पता है तुम्हें? You just have to wear your sneakers or heels, whatever makes you confident. मैं mostly heels entity because I just love heels. I'm a heels person. So I used to wear that, but I'm gonna wear shoes this time and a sling bag. That's it. That's my whole outfit. I hope you like this one as well. Comment in the comment section and let me know your reviews as well, please. So it's time for the fourth outfit, which is my favorite one because उसमें आप बहुत ज़्यादा पतले लगते हो. So it's a black on black, so black top, black jeans, and white shoes. And yeah, I think the pretty much best combination ever is all black. It's just chic. It's just so pretty. Or plus, black makes you look slim. Please, guys, everyone who loves black is insecure of some kind of insecurity that they have inside them. That's a fact. So yeah, this is a black top, black jeans outfit, and you're wearing chumkas. It's a chand walia, which is also black in color, and we're wearing hand bangle, something, hand cuff, and which is also black in shade. Just very nice. I'm liking this look so much. Wow. I'm wearing the same sneakers as well. You can wear heels as well. You can wear it. You just wear something ethnic and it just becomes a wholesome outfit. Right? Amazing. How pretty I look. See, that's the beauty. That I don't look fat and I look pretty. Your skin color, skin complexion also brightens up. Just wow. Okay guys, this outfit was the best. And it's time for the last outfit, which is going to be the end of this video as well. First outfit is more of like a office wear outfit because we're gonna team up the black crop top, which I'm currently wearing, with beige color trousers. So let me just wear and come and let you know how I look. And we're gonna pair it with heels, not with sneakers, because heels वाला look बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Trust me on that. So yeah, this is the last outfit. For this, I have worn hoops. You can also wear chandbalis as well, but मुझे hoops ज़्यादा better लगते हैं. I've done the half hairdo and wait for the final look. That's the trousers. You can see these are the black, and that's me. I like this one as well, to be very honest. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this
vlog and I hope you like the outfits. And comment section में मुझे बताओ कि आपको कौन सा outfit अच्छा लगा and what you want to improve and what you like it. All things that you feel. Let me know in the comment section. And अगर आपको और ऐसे videos चाहिए of sustainability wearing, then you can let me know and I can make other parts as well. And yeah, I guess that's it for the video. Thank you so much. Like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.